Do you ever wonder how much money is slipping away without you even realizing it? You may feel like you're being careful with your finances, but somehow your bank account still seems to get smaller each month. What if there are hidden money drains that you're overlooking every single day? In today's video, we'll uncover 8 surprising ways you're losing money every month and show you simple ways to stop the leaks and keep more money in your pocket. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start saving more effectively, let's jump right into these surprising money traps you might be falling into. 1. Excessive subscriptions. It's incredibly easy to overlook how many subscriptions you're signed up for. Small, seemingly insignificant charges, like a $5 or a $10 monthly streaming service, can add up to hundreds of dollars a year. Many people sign up for free trials or services that they only use once or twice, and then forget to cancel them. Before you know it, those small amounts snowball into a significant amount of money lost each year. A study found that Americans spend an average of $98 per month on subscriptions, some of which they aren't even using. By going through your bank statements and reviewing your subscriptions regularly, you might find that you're paying for services that have slipped through the cracks. Free alternatives, like using your library for ebooks or free streaming services, could help you cut costs. Set up a reminder to review your subscriptions every few months to stay on top of what you're paying for. This simple step of canceling and used subscriptions can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars a year. Over time, it allows you to free up money for things that matter more, like saving or investing. 2. Lifestyle creep. Do you find yourself spending more as your income grows? You're not alone. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle creep, happens when you start increasing your spending as soon as you get a raise, promotion, or bonus. While this might seem normal, it can actually slow down your savings progress over time. When you get a raise, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, whether that's upgrading your car, moving into a bigger apartment, or splurging on expensive dinners. However, the key to long-term financial success is not increasing your expenses with every pay bump. Instead, consider using that extra income to boost your savings or pay down debt. A great trick to avoid lifestyle creep is setting up automatic savings from your paycheck as soon as it arrives. This way, you prioritize your financial future before you have a chance to spend on unnecessary luxuries. With a clear financial goal and discipline, you can enjoy your income without letting it burn a hole in your pocket. 3. Food waste and dining out. One of the most common money drains is eating out. While grabbing dinner at a restaurant may feel like a treat, it comes with a high price tag. On average, a meal at a restaurant costs 3 to 5 times more than the same meal cooked at home. Over time, these small dining expenses add up, taking a big chunk of your budget. Food waste also plays a role in your monthly expenses. It's easy to throw away leftovers or toss out food that's gone bad. Planning your meals ahead of time can reduce waste and help you stick to your grocery budget. Consider making a weekly meal plan and buying only what you need, focusing on buying in bulk for items you use frequently. When you eat at home more often, not only do you save money, but you can also control the ingredients, making it healthier too. Use this money-saving habit to enhance your financial health while enjoying delicious meals that cost a fraction of the price. 4. Bank fees. You might think that your bank is helping you save, but in reality, many people unknowingly lose money to hidden bank fees. These can include monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, overdraft fees, and penalties for not maintaining a minimum balance. Even small fees, like using an out-of-network ATM, can add up over time and drain your savings. The best way to avoid these fees is to choose the right bank, one that offers no-fee checking accounts and savings accounts. You can also save money by setting up direct deposit and making sure you avoid overdrawing your account. Many banks even offer apps that can help you track your spending and avoid unnecessary charges. By becoming more aware of your bank's fee structure, you can prevent your hard-earned money from slipping away. 5. Credit card debt. While credit cards offer perks like rewards and points, carrying a balance month to month can be a huge money waster. Many credit cards charge sky-high interest rates, some as high as 25% APR, which can quickly turn your balance into a much larger debt. This interest accrues every month, making it harder and harder to pay off what you owe. If you're only making the minimum payment, you're barely scratching the surface of your debt. Over time, this can add up to thousands of dollars in interest. To stop this, pay off your credit card balance in full every month. If that's not possible, try to pay off the card with the highest interest rates first. Additionally, using cash instead of credit can help you avoid overspending. Credit cards often encourage you to buy things you might not need, while paying with cash creates a more tangible connection to how much you're spending. If you stick with credit cards, aim to pay your bills early or set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. By managing your credit wisely and paying off your balance, you can save yourself from paying excessive interest and improve your overall financial health. 6. Traditional savings accounts. Do you keep your savings in a traditional savings account at a big bank? While this may seem like a safe option, you might be losing out on interest by not using higher-yielding accounts. The national average interest rate for savings accounts is a paltry 0.41%, and some big banks pay as little as 0.01%. Over time, this low interest rate means that your savings aren't growing as much as they could be. Instead of settling for a traditional savings account, consider opening a high-yield savings account. These accounts often offer interest rates that are much higher, sometimes up to 3% or more, which means your money will grow faster. Even a small difference in interest can make a significant impact over time. For instance, on a $2,000 deposit, you'd earn $76 in interest in 1 year with a 3.8% APY, compared to only $8 in interest with 0.41% APY. Switching to a high-yield account is a simple and easy way to maximize the growth of your savings, helping you build wealth over time. 7. Interest on debt. Debt is a major money drain, especially when it comes to high-interest loans like credit cards and personal loans. Even if you're paying off debt slowly, the interest continues to add up, making it harder to escape. For example, credit card debt can carry an interest rate of 25% APR, which means the amount you owe grows rapidly. By tackling high-interest debts first, you can prevent interest charges from compounding. The snowball method, which focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, can give you quick wins and build momentum. Alternatively, the avalanche method, which prioritizes debts with the highest interest, saves you more money in the long term. Making a plan to pay off debt can help you get ahead financially, allowing you to save more and avoid the constant cycle of paying off interest. 8. Insurance overpayment. Insurance is essential to protect your assets, but overpaying for coverage can cost you a fortune. Many people are paying for unnecessary coverage, such as burial insurance, cancer insurance, or whole life insurance, when cheaper options like term life insurance would be a better choice. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure you're not paying for things you don't need. Switching from a whole life policy to a term life policy, for example, could save you a significant amount each year. Also, consider raising your deductibles on car or home insurance to lower your premiums. By evaluating your insurance needs and shopping around for the best rates, you can save money while still maintaining adequate coverage. And there you have it. 8 surprising ways you're losing money every month and how to stop the leaks. By tackling these hidden drains, you can keep more money in your pocket and put it toward your financial goals. Whether it's cutting back on subscriptions, avoiding high-interest debt, or switching to a high-yield savings account, these small changes can add up over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with more tips on personal finance and smart money management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.